Achi, that's Achi. Leave that alone. Where are you going? That's too deep for your wellies. There's rather a big pool down there. Harry, 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 Harry! Harry, blow kisses to Mummy. Harry, Harry! Blow kisses to Mummy. Oh, we're gone. Oh, there's a dog over there. Quite a stormy day. There's no rain, but looking up at those clouds, look pretty threatening. Come on then, up we get. You're getting sandy down there. Oh, that's it. Meeting Granny for coffee in about 10 minutes. Harry, Harry, careful with that, that's big. Up. Oh, we're still going to need to change your trousers when we get back to the car. Come on, stand up, babes. Looks like I need to bring some trousers.